So we just got out from Las Vegas and we are now at Lake Mead. It's the largest reservoir in the United States, formed by the waters of the Colorado River after the constructions of Hoover Dam. So it's very stunning with desert mountains offering both natural beauty and outdoor recreation.
Thank you. Thank you. No, that's good. I hope that, does that work okay?
So we just got out from that overlooking of the Lake Mead, and this time we're going to the Hoover Dam itself. So we could see there how big it is, how wonderful the water looking at. It's perfect for photography. So I heard that there are activities that you can do there. So you can have boating and kayaking, swimming, fishing and hiking, picnicking and camping.
Wala yung camera, the word doesn't show. Oh, slippery when wet.
Yeah, sounds like you.
So here, once you arrive at this area where the gate, welcome to Hoover Dam, so there's no fee at all, but there's checkpoint beyond.
They have a special treatment.
Yeah.
Look at those cars. That's the parking lot.
I think it's one of them. Bridge, scenic. Well, we go see the scenic view.
Okay. And then we can continue there?
Yeah.
Wow. So lots of stops.
No drones. Or you can take a break and do the ramp too.
You say hi. Hello.
Hey.
We are at Hoover Dam. Overlook. Yeah, this one, good exercise for the leg. Oh, so this dam was completed in 1936 and it's a hydroelectric power for Nevada.
Wow, that's solid.
So this bridge has a sidewalk for people and has considered a highway for cars. So this is considered a highway. I could see cars. I think. Oh, it's also a hydroelectric power for Arizona and California. Wow, that's nice.
Only half of your body.
That's okay.
1, 2,
Got it?
wow, that's where we were.
Yeah. We walked on
Look
the
at
wall.
that on the ground, the arc on the below, under. This is rock so big. Wow.
Wow, look at that orchard. That's a lot of construction.
Yeah. It took maybe months just for that construction.
So we're looking for a parking lot, and I think the parking fee is around $10.
I think they just walk across.
Wow, it's a long one. Wow. Good for one person.
It says observation deck, and you have to pay $15. So there's the panoramic view of the dam and the Lake Mead.
Okay. So we are good on next one.
Good thing we're wearing our sunglasses. And water. It's very hot here.
This is really good.
This is funny. Yeah.
We're in Arizona.
It's funny, we just passed Nevada State and now we are in Arizona.